There he goes, Norwegian 737. There was a time when I thought we'd never see them again. And that is coming in from Bergen. Cathay Pacific, Singapore, and the Radisson Blu. Fantastic hotel. Check out my main channel, some bloke who travels a lot. Good review of that hotel. Stayed there during the pandemic. It was fantastic. I need to go back, and there's that One World livery again. Let's go back over here. Cathay Pacific. I flew on Christmas Eve 2021 Cathay Pacific to Hong Kong on the A350. It was fantastic. Yet to fly Singapore Airlines. Well, not yet to fly. I actually flew Singapore Airlines in 1999. That was the last time I flew with them. Anyway.